Hey, I'm Yashica Jalhotra, founder Quantum of Happiness, international best-selling author, NLP and law of attraction expert. Are you the one who's still facing challenges in manifesting your desired life? You have attended so many webinars, maybe you have read hundreds of books, watched thousands of YouTube videos, but today you are still at square one. You are not able to manifest your dream job, you are not living in your dream home, or maybe you are still struggling to manifest your desired life partner. If yes, in this video, my friend, I'm going to talk about the reasons why you have not been able to manifest your desired life. The easiest and most scientific way to manifest your life is to first reprogram your subconscious mind. And once you are done with that, you need to release your resistance, remove your limiting beliefs, and then apply the powerful, magnificent techniques of law of attraction. Also, not to forget, you need to follow a structured program, a structured system wherein you can be mentored, you can learn and implement those practical techniques in your day-to-day life so that you manifest your desired things easily. Just imagine how easily you can manifest if you have a systematic, scientific and proven system in your hands. Yes, my friend, keeping this in mind, I have structured this 21-day mind programming workshop in which I will be using scientific and proven techniques of NLP, law of attraction, meditation, affirmations, goal settings and positive programming. In the last couple of years, I have been able to assist more than 10,500 lives across the globe, and today my students, my mentees are able to live a happy, abundant life, the desired life. I have been able to scale my business from 0 to 7 figures, healed my unresolved health issues, manifested my dream SUV car, and today I am living in my dream home. And it's not only about me, it's about thousands of other students. So if you are interested to live a successful, abundant life, I have created this amazing 21-day mind programming workshop in which I have put all my secret NLP, law of attraction, meditation and affirmation techniques. And guess what? This whole system will cost you less than a movie outing and will make you enormously successful and happy. And for all that, you just have to click the link below, register yourself, and I'll see you inside.